Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, so here we are in Canva. To create your Facebook post, you can come here to the search box and you can type in Facebook post. It's already showing up here, so I'm just going to select it. So here guys, you're seeing various templates of different posts that you can make on Facebook. So if you're not sure of what type you should make or what kind of post and you need some sort of inspiration, guys, you can definitely browse through, take a look at what is here, and then if you do want to use any one of these templates that you're seeing here, you can select it, and if all you would need to do is to just add in your own text or change up the text, or if you want to keep the same text but add in your own words or put your own spin on it, then you're free to do so. Now, as I said before, you can select this blank template here, which will allow you to do your own design, your specific design. So say we are doing an inspirational post. There are a lot of things you can do here. You can upload your own photos, whatever you need to use. You can choose to use the photos that Canva has available. So you just need to go in and type in the search box here whatever it is that you would need to have on your design. So say you wanted something related to summer, you could type that in, browse through the different photos that are here. Whilst browsing, guys, if you're on the free version of Canva, then you would look out for those photos that are available to you on the free version. They say free, whilst if you're on the pro version, the ones that are available on the pro version will say pro, so you can freely use those ones if you're on the pro version. So yeah, you also have the element section, guys, where you can get animated type text or elements. See a few of them here. So if you're creating an animated Facebook post, then you can come here and look at them. You will find them under stickers, so you can go specifically to stickers and look to see if there's any that you want, or if you want to search for a specific one, you can, for example, type in laughing sticker. So just type whatever concept it is that you're looking for and then the word sticker, and you should see some animated ones that relate to whatever you typed in. You also have this section here, guys, that has a lot of text, but you can always add text to your design by simply pressing T on your keyboard, and you will be able to add whatever text you need and customize it in terms of changing the font style, the size of it, the color, the effect, and so on. You also have this section with audio, guys, so if you wanted to add some music to your design, you could definitely do that. And in the background, this section here that says background offers you a wide variety of concepts for your background. So you can choose not to have just a simple background color, whatever post you're working with again. So those are a number of the things that you can do if you're creating a Facebook post, guys. So let's go back to creating an inspirational post. So I'm just going to use the photos here available in Canva. Let me find something related to spring. Now this is available on the pro version, as you guys can see, so I'm just going to drag it over to my template until it shows up entirely, then I let it go. Okay, to add some text to this post, guys, I'll just press T on the keyboard. To add text, guys, you can choose to press T on the keyboard, as I just said I did, and you can add multiple text box by just pressing T each time, or if you wanted to use a text feature that I showed you earlier on, you can use that as well. Now, if you want to change the font style for all of these texts at once, then you just need to select anywhere on the screen and drag, and it will highlight everything, guys, and then you can just go ahead and change the font style. there are some of these styles that are available on the pro version of Canva, so you'll look out for that depending on which version of Canva you're using. So I'm just going to use this, very simple, just leave it at that. Let me bold it and see what it's looking like. Do more, but I'm going to leave it at that. Alright, so with the text, guys, you have this section, that effects section, where you can go and add some effects to your text, and these are the different effects that you have available, so you could always check them out to see, you know, which one you want to add to your design. And of course, if you want to add your, you know, say it's your page that you're posting this on, maybe your inspirational page or so forth, then you can just add your page name right there. That's it. Now guys, say you want to animate your post, then you can come here to animate, and you can browse through the different ones that are available. To select them, you just need to click on the animation style that you want, and it will be immediately applied to your design. So I'm going to use this breathe one here. Another thing, guys, is that you can change the duration of your animated post here by selecting this icon that says edit timing. Say you want it to play for 8 seconds, you just need to type in 8 there and select done, or you could drag this icon on the timeline right here and then select done once the timing that you want shows up. So here you have the 8 seconds showing up. If you have your Facebook connected to your Canva, then you could just go right ahead and publish your post to your Facebook page. Otherwise, you just go ahead, guys, select download and download it. So there is downloaded. Another thing that I didn't mention, guys, is that you could definitely give your post a title so that you're able to recognize it when searching for it. So this could be anything you want it to be. You just give it a title up here. So that's it for today, guys. Feel free to ask any questions you may have in the comment section and I'll respond to you. On to my next video. I'll talk to you then. Goodbye.